over here you can see that I have a video clip over here, and then if I were to press the play button, then you can see that I have a video clip right here and an audio is attached with it right here. So sometimes what happens is that you want to detach the audio from the video so that you can work with them separately. So if you want to do that, you can simply right click right here, and here you can see separate audio is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here, then what happens is that the audio on the original footage right here gets muted. It does not get deleted, it gets muted, and a copy is made over here on the audio layer, as you can see. So if I were to press the play button, you still hear out the audio, but now you can change out the audio just like this, as you can see. So I'm just going to right click and click on expand audio so that it is minimized. And over here, you can see that this is the audio right here. And you can move out the audio, which is unlinked from the video right here. And now you can see that if I were to press the play button, there is no audio there, but the audio starts from over here. And that is how it works. And that is how you can go around and then unlink audio from video, just like this, as you can see. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.